Very good morning. Can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
ઉર્જા ઓલું ચાલુ થઈ ગયું તું કહેતી હતી ને પેન પેપર ક્યારે ચાલુ થશે?
હા
હવે થઈ ગઈ છે હો.
હા અને ડેટ
બસ
આઈન બુક કરવાની.
એ બી મળે છે, મહેસાણા બી મળે છે ને અમદાવાદ બી મળે. અમદાવાદ 30 તારીખ છે ગઈ.
હા હજી
બીજા
15 દિવસ રહીને લઉં સર.
હા કઈ વાંધો ગમે ત્યારે
થોડું
લે એક મિનિટ હું આવું.
હા
હેલો હેલો.
યસ યસ
આ બીના જોડે તું વાત કરી તને ડેટ નું કહી દેશે. 30
ઓકે
તારીખે છે અમદાવાદે છે મહેસાણા છે બધું ખુલી ગયું.
હા હા
ચલો તો પછી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દેવું છે કે રાહ જોવી છે હજી?
કરી દો ધીમે ધીમે સર બધા જોઈન થઈ જશે. હજી બે જ જણ થયા.
તેજસ આવ્યો ને ત્રીના આવશે હજી તો.
હા વેટ કર લો સર વાંધો નહીં.
ઓકે બે 5 મિનિટ વેટ કરો.
ઓકે ઓકે
Yes, can you listen me once again? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today's topic is quite common topic, quite easy topic, and quite interesting topic. Why? Because of we have done it so many times, I think so. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do it once again. Here the subject is advertisements. Basically, today in the modern world, no business can even exist without proper advertising. It is the soul of any business. It basically connects the product to the customers as well as the customers to the product. It gives information about the product. It enlightens about the product and the brand. Uh, because of very good advertising, the product can reach to a very huge amount of mass. And there are advertisements uh, used in so many ways. Today, social media advertising, awareness programs, and commercial advertising. These all three are important. You can say any of them. You can also say today a lot of social advertisement is done, which is just for benefit, okay, for the awareness of people and to awake people. Commercial advertising is related is for brands basically. Every brand is like there are they hire models, they make wonderful advertisements, so they connect popular people with their brand or their product, which really helps to boost sales of their product. So you can say anything. There is a lot you can say about advertisement in the introduction. Apart from after the introduction, you can simply start your topic. You can start and you can say which there is like lot of advertisement you can select from. Okay, if you want to say about social advertising, you can say that you can talk about commercial advertising. Okay, so basically if you want to talk about social advertising, you can say polio drops, okay, Swachhata Abhiyan, and if you want to say commercial advertisement, then Mango Fruity, Maggie, Nirma. These are some landmark advertisement. Nirma is like a like landmark. Like when I am today 35 years old, and when I was a kid, I used to watch that advertisement. So it is a legend advertisement. You can talk about that. But then another is that Biko turmeric, and this there are plenty of other advertisements. There are every hour there is a new advertisement launch. So it depends on your choice. If you talk about a legend advertisement, then it is good. If you don't, if you talk about a recent advertisement that you like so much, which your favorite celebrity is in there. It can be a sports person or it can be a basically film star, okay, somebody celebrity. So here I am going to talk about a social advertisement that I remember well. This advertisement is about awareness of diseases, and it is about polio. Actually, polio is a very deadly disease, and because of that, many people has lost their lives. Many children, newborn children, are have get these diseases. Government of India has taken quite steps to spread awareness, and for the vaccination they are doing a lot. They are doing a lot of work. A very popular figurehead and a movie star, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, is spreading awareness about this polio vaccine, and he encourages people to take the vaccine in just two drops, do boon zindagi ke. So basically, this is the tagline of the advertisement, and I think because of this advertisement, each and everybody gets benefit, and it is a non-commercial advertisement. People basically get awareness, and they go and get vaccine for their children so they don't get the disease. Okay, so you can talk. This is the model answer. Apart from that, recently. in this lockdown period. There are a lot of advertisements about washing hands, like every celebrity, every product, every like this liquid soap makers. There are a lot of advertisements. Okay, so people remember these advertisements a lot. So you can talk about all those advertisements. Okay, wash your hands like this, use these sanitizers. There are a lot of things that you can see. So this is the topic which I think so. If anybody gets a chance to speak on this topic, 100% the person should score good marks. Okay, it is a very familiar, common topic. So there is nobody who can not talk on this topic. Okay, so let's see the discussion. Going to the discussion part, why do some people hate advertisement? Yes, sometimes the content of the advertisement is totally nonsense. It is not relatable. Even there because of to attract people's attention, sometimes nudity and adult stuff is used, that basically attracts people attention. Words like nudity words are used, so people, it grabs people's attention, and these advertisements are, people hate this kind of advertisement because of they cannot watch such things in between their family. And uh, and basically, uh, it is not a proper way of advertising, it is not a proper way of getting attention. So basically, this kind of this are some advertisements that people. Why do some people hate advertisements? Okay, some people hate advertisements just because of they interrupt. Also, the another word can be they interrupt in their viewing experience. Okay, when they are watching a wonderful daily soap or a movie and it comes every 15 minutes and a bunch of products are shown to you, so people hate it. Do people usually buy stuff after watching advertisement? Definitely, it is a big yes. People buy stuff. Okay, people basically when they have watched the advertisement of a product, people know about that product. So when they go to the shop, they have a recall. Yes, I know about this product. It is a this, and they relate because they have come across that product for once. Second time when that product comes in front of them real, they feel related and they buy it. So basically what buying after watching advertisement is a definitely yes. People buy a lot. Okay, sometimes advertisement provide very vital information that people need to know, and because of this they buy it. Is music useful in advertising? Yes, definitely, to grab the attention of the viewers. In there are jingles, some musical tones they have made. They use popular songs, and yes, because of this, the advertising becomes interesting to watch, and and because of the interest that it creates. Okay, normally people would love to know about their product. Basically, sometimes music is easily remembered. Okay, and due to that music, basically they remember the content of the product and it softly goes into your mind and subconscious, you get benefits. So what are the advantages of TV advertisement and about internet how about internet okay, both the advertisement is a very popular form of audio and visual advertising. The advantages of television advantages, okay, the products related to ladies, then household, and all other things they will become very famous and popular. And internet advertising reaches to every individual, where every individual and a huge number of youth is always active on the internet. So it has a lot of benefit, it has a huge reach. Every a single content can be spread throughout the country with the help of audiovisual format. So it is a very good form of advertising. Where usually do we see advertisement? We see advertisement at various places, a lot of places. Basically, billboards on the side of the roads, televisions, movie theaters, social media, internet, websites. These are some places where do we see advertisements. Actually, anywhere you go today, you will see brand endorsements are done on the road. Every crossroad there are big boards. So they actually try to grab your attention anyhow. And in the metro cities, this happens very frequent. Are there any advertisement at schools? Yes, there are advertisements in school also, but they are very less commercial advertisements, and they are related to education, they are related to the school stuff and all. So basically they are not hardcore commercial advertisements are there in the school, but definitely we cannot ignore that there are no advertisements in the school. There are advertisements, and they are advertisements and educational advertisements. So you can talk all these things in the advertisement. Yes, this is done. So you can start the yesterday's topic, which was a journey that did not go as planned. This was the topic. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, start somebody.
Okay, sir, my call.
Hmm.
Krina.
Okay.
Uh, well, we often have to make changes in our plans due to different reasons. Actually, I still remember it was the month of August when me and my friends decided to go for a holidays in Manali. It was actually a weekend tour of 2 to 3 days. We choose Manali because it is extremely famous tourist destination in my country for its natural beauty. Me and my friends made all the necessary arrangements required for this trip. I still remember just before the day of leaving, we were very excited and we were all set with our luggage. Or in the evening bulletin, we got the news that meteorology department has issued a red alert in Manali and also the surrounding areas. Because of that, there will be extremely heavy rainfall for the next 3 days. There were fair chances of landsliding as well. We all friends sat together and discussed the matter. We decided to delay the plan because we did not want to put our lives into any kind of risk. We also decided that we will go for the same trip in Manali next week. Finally, we got news again that weather is all perfect now. So next weekend we went to Manali. Our weather was extremely pleasant. We really enjoyed, but overall, to be honest, we were lucky, and we were fortunate that we got news in time, or we changed the plan.
Okay, nice. So, are there any special places for visiting in India? Are there interesting places to visit in India?
Yes, there are many interesting places in our country, especially historical places. They are really very beautiful, and we can enjoy a lot at that places.
Okay, so you like long trips or short trips, and why?
Uh, I prefer short trips because in long trips are sometimes very difficult for me, and I am not comfortable with long trips. So I always prefer short trips.
And what activities do you do when you are traveling?
Uh, there are many activities I love to do when I am traveling. Like I enjoy different dishes of foods. I play some games with my family members or friends. Then I on beside this, I love to enjoy natural beauties. So there are many things
So
which I do.
you like to travel alone or with your friends?
This is depends on my mood. Sometimes I love to travel with my friends because when we travel with our friends or family, so we can cheer, we can enjoy very much. But sometimes I love to travel alone because I want to spend some quality of time with myself.
Okay, do you click photographs when you are traveling?
Yes, of course. In fact, I love to click photograph because photograph make good memories in our life. So I love to click photograph.
Okay, nice. Very. Yes, next.
Yes, sir.
Go on.
I love to travel, and it's make me relax and happy. I generally travel by bus or train. Here, I would like to talk about the journey.
બસ और
Uh,
ટ્રેન ની જગ્યાએ શું કહેવાય ખબર છે?
uh,
શું કહેવાય? Public transport. That is a lex. I generally like to travel in a public transport.
Transport. Okay. Here, I would like to talk about the journey, which did not go as planned. It was my cousin's sister's birthday. She asked me for picnic to Rajasthan. She also invited her friends. Firstly, we were get ready ready at 7 early in the morning, and the car also reached to pick up us. While her friends were too late to reach at her home that day, and therefore it got delayed already 1 hour. Finally, they arrived after an hour, and we started our road journey. The journey was uneventful and comfortable for the first and a half hour, because as we reached the middle of the journey, the traffic came to halt. There was a single narrow bridge to commute, and we stuck at the bridge. I was not so hilarious that day and get bored and disappeared because of the journey didn't go as we planned. Lastly, traffic police arrived after 2 hours, and after 2 hours and make people move their vehicles for to make traffic move, and our car moved again. That time I was on the verge of losing patience. Those 2 hours seemed to last forever for me.
Okay. So what are the common difficulties that people face when they are traveling abroad?
Uh, when people travel to abroad, that they can face communicate with others, because they don't know how we communicate with others, and sometimes they feel alone, because their friends and family are in their native place, and they are alone, that
Homesickness. That is called homesickness.
yes,
Okay.
homes.
They,
And
they, they feel communication gaps, they feel isolated with their families, homesickness. Okay. So what kind of activities you do when you are traveling long trips?
sir, sorry.
What kind of activities do you do when you are traveling long trips?
When I traveling to long journey, that I prefer to read books and listen music at the window seat, and if I go with my friends, that we play some games at the uh, in the uh, in the vehicle, what we are going to.
In which we are traveling.
Yes, in which we are.
Okay. So you like to visit some popular places or places where there is no crowd?
uh, I would like to visit a popular places, because I eagerly known about that place, there's a place popularity, and at that kind of place, we can find we can find a quality of a food, and we cannot face many problems, because it's very popular, and too many tourists are visiting that. Then uh, the we cannot face major trouble.
Okay, nice. Yes, next. Good one. Now, थोड़ा थोड़ा अमुक words भूली जाए. Good words. Which are going to give you marks. જે તમારો score વધારશે.
હા યસ સર. એટલે સર આ તો હું જાતે બોલું છું, લાઈક જોઈને નહીં બોલતી. ક્યુ કાર્ડ હોય કે એટલે થોડું અટકી જવાય વચ્ચે.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Natural pauses are accepted.
હા.
Yes, next.
Jai sir.
Ajay, start.
I don't travel much, but sometimes I visit my relatives in nearby city. I generally travel by public transport or my private car. Today I would like to talk about one such instance when I was traveling to Chandigarh by bus, and it was a journey which did not go as planned. It got delayed because of 2 hours long traffic jam. I was going to Chandigarh to meet a cousin who had come for a few weeks from Canada. I was traveling alone that day, and my parents were come the next day. It is usually 2.5 to 3 hours journey by road. I remember it was Friday, and I took a bus from the bus station at around 3 p.m. After attending my classes, I planned to stay Chandigarh over a weekend. The journey was uneventful and comfortable for the first hour and a half. However, as soon as we reached a city called Ropar, the traffic came to a halt. There is a bridge on the river Satluj in Ropar where the traffic jam had started. It has a single lane bridge. Some people on bridge were on the wrong side of the road, and other people in cars and buses followed them and blocked both the side of the road, leading to the jam. There was no place to move forward or backwards. People were not cooperating, and no one was ready to move their vehicles. There was a lot of noise because of people honking the horns, and also people were getting frustrated and angry. Some were even shouting at each other. After waiting there for about 1 hour, the traffic police finally arrived and made people move their vehicle to make way for the traffic move. I have a sign of relief when the bus started moving again, as I too was on the verge of losing patience. Those 2 hours seemed to last forever. Okay, sir.
Okay, nice. Jay, tell me, do you like to travel alone or with a company?
I like to travel with company, because when we going to plan with our friends and relatives, the journey was very enjoyable. So I plan with family or relatives.
Okay, so why do some people prefer to travel alone?
Some people travel too alone because of they think that journey was enjoyable alone.
Cause नहीं यार, their journey, they enjoy their trips. Okay.
They enjoyed their trips.
So okay, some people like absolute isolation. They don't like others' company. They are more introvert. Okay, so that kind of. Okay, so do you like driving when you are traveling?
No, I not like to driving when I am traveling, because when I going to long trip and drive, I will come into sleep, and so I don't like to driving when I am traveling.
Okay. So do you like to do you like traveling in the popular places or normal?
So sir,
Do you like traveling at the popular places or non-popular?
I like to visit less known places because the culture at such places uh, is not diluted. It is a pure. So the experience, the purity in culture, lesser known place are always better.
Okay. So do you click photographs when you travel?
Yes, I like to click a photograph when I I am travel uh, because by clicking photograph the journey was very enjoyable,
The
and
journey
when
is very enjoyable.
and it is remember for long time when we see the photographs.
Okay. Nice, nice. Okay, good. It becomes a memory for us. Yes, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on, Tejas.
A study tour is one of the best ways to make students learn about the real life scenarios and issues. It is the best way to earn knowledge practically. During my college tour, I went for a study tour in Agra in India to visit the Taj Mahal, one of the world heritage site of the world. Agra, located in Uttar Pradesh, a great tourist spot in the India, most famous across the globe for the legendary Taj Mahal. We went to the spot for the purpose of learning about the structure and histories behind this beautiful marble-made building. And in it is in fact a tomb made in remembrance of a memory of Mumtaz, the wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, located on western bank of Yamuna River. The structure is considered as the mausoleum of love. We entered the compound following a queue and gazed amazingly towards the finest structure of the world. But some of the issues were unpleasant to me. First of all, the color of building was faded and seemed of bit of yellowish because of pollution like acid rain. I thought that the surrounding location will be clean, free from hawkers, but the view was just opposite to my thought and seemed that the ideas of calm environment moved me in the crowd. Most of people were engaged in clicking their images instead of enjoying the beauty of this place. Moreover, the number of guides to visit help visit the area properly was inappropriate. The authorities taking higher price to for entrance ticket but not paying attention to make the compound clean and clear. I also expected that I might find Taj Mahal in its best states as the Indian government is taking care of the structure, but the care was limited by some signpost and ignored by the visitor. People spat here and there threw waste materials on the walking path. Some other similar activities made me frustrated.
Okay, Tejas. Tell
Yes, sir.
me what kind of troubles people face when they travel in the public transport.
Public transports. First of all, sir, you will face you will not find cleanliness if you are traveling public transport.
Hygiene is the issue.
Yes, sir. Hygiene. They do not maintain hygiene, sir.
Okay. Only this. There is sometimes public
Sir,
transport is
yes, sir.
crowded and there is
Crowded.
lack of hygiene. Understood?
Yes.
There can be two answers in one sentence. You cannot say all the answers. Only one sentence of answer, second of support, and then example if you want to say. You can say
Sir,
public
sir,
transport has a lot of issues related to hygiene and it is crowded.
yes.
Okay,
એવું કહી શકાય સર કે કામ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ એક શાંત એન્વાયરમેન્ટ ના મળી શકે કેમ કે
that also
નોઇઝી.
crowded I give already address થઈ જાય.
ઓકે
When
સર.
you say it is crowded means there is no peace. It is a better way. Okay, and many there are a lot of pickpockets, store on everywhere. So that also you want. Okay, you like to travel alone or with your friends?
Sir, I like to travel with my friends because journey can be memorable. We can enjoy instead of traveling alone.
Okay.
Yes.
So tell me, which was the last long trip you made and you enjoyed a lot?
Which was the last trip? Uh, Last trip I enjoyed was around 1 or 1.5 year ago with my family. I went to Rajasthan.
And it was a mind blowing. We visited a lot of tourist spots. You have to add information. We visited a lot of tourist spots. We had local cuisine, and it was a wonderful tour. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, brother, thank you, man. Okay, then see you. Bye bye.